What's up, everybody? Day 93 here at Amazon. Burrito from McDonald's. So good. Catch you guys out there.
Oh yeah, you know how we do at work. Baba baby, baba baby, baba baby, baba baby, baba. Yes sir.
Anchini wine Maramrakani Girrumpul Yalla Tudu
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the journey to Mililani. Here's our first stop. Let's go. Now, usually when my deliveries are on my right side, I would get out the cargo door and then, or the sliding door, and then leave it open, run to the house, come back, jump back through that way. But if it's on the left side, then jump out the sliding door, close it, go to the left side, and then come back through the driver's side. I believe that's a lot faster and convenient. Another tip I wanted to share with you guys is organization. It's key. Safety and organization is key, bro. Like, without organizing your entire van, you won't be able to go through it like smoothly. So here's how I organize. I got it from Didi, and yeah, I like it. It works for me. I don't know what works for you, but this one works for me. So find out what works for you and do it. Another thing you should be aware of are the stop signs. Every time you see a stop sign, you know you got to come to a complete stop right next to it or before it, like 3 feet away. Make sure you come to a complete stop. That's all you have to do. And then when you're a complete stop, then you can check your surroundings, see if you have any incoming or outgoing civilian or pedestrians or traffic. And then if it's clear, get it. All is good. Another tip I want to tell you guys was, if the odds are on the left, evens are on the right, or vice versa. Or if townhomes, if the evens are on that side, that means odds are only going to be on the other side of the street or across from each other. That's all. Yeah, now another tip is, you see that light blue line? That's going to be your next stop. So the dark blue line is your current stop you're going to, and the light blue line is your next stop you're going to go to after your current stop. Another thing you got to consider is straight, loop, way, and drive. You guys got to look at the labels carefully, because sometimes it says street on your GPS, but then the address says loop. So take that into a lot of consideration. You might get confused there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, RTS, and no packages to return, so we're good. We're just putting back the totes. All right, we are done parking. Now we're gonna do our end of the day DVIC, which is vehicle inspection. So for anything that's hanging or there's not an order, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, I'm done with my DVIC. I'm gonna head home now. Yeah, I got Denver closing, so usually there's a closer, an opener, and a dispatcher per day. So yeah, we all rotate. But yeah, Mililani was smashed today. Tomorrow's another day. Oh, day 93. By the way, I just want to thank my bosses for congratulating me or recognizing me for the work that I do, and also other workers for delivering so many packages and then rewarding us with gift cards. So we really appreciate that, all of us. Thank you guys, Ian, Devin, thank you so much.